Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to control who can see your input status on the IMO app. If you want to manage your privacy and decide whether everyone, only your contacts, or specific people can view your typing activity. First, open the IMO app on your phone. Next, look at the top left corner and tap on the profile icon. Then scroll down and select the option called Security and Privacy. Then click on the Input Status option. Here, you will see 4 different choices: Everyone, My Contacts, Custom, and Nobody. Choosing Everyone will allow all IMO users to see when you are typing. Selecting My Contacts limits visibility to only people saved in your contacts. The Custom option lets you choose specific users who can or cannot see your input status. Finally, selecting. Nobody hides your typing activity completely from all users. Finally, once you have made your preferred selection, exit the settings and your choice will be saved automatically. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tips and tutorials.